So this is my current fret saw, and it uses this tension device here, which I find makes not a great tension on the blade. See how it's flexing? It's just not my favorite, so I tried this, where I'm trying this TOOLCOOL Coping Saw, maybe to help me out a little bit. The first thing I'm gonna say is that the saw blades are a little thicker. So the bonus there is that it's gonna have less flex, but at the same time, it's gonna be harder to get into joints like a super thin coping saw blade would. This thing is actually ridiculously easy to put together. You just screw it in like that. Okay, so slightly trickier than I thought, but still not hard at all. So this part has a nut behind it, and you want to make sure that's tight. And then this up here has, well, then you unlock it and you're able to shift and turn the blade. And basically I want it straight, so I'm gonna line it like that, and then I'm gonna lock it and then tighten this back down, which after the first time you do this, I don't think you have to untighten that. And there you go. It's not perfectly straight right now, but I'm doing it on video, so easy to fix. And then you can shift. So if you wanted your blade sideways, you could shift this way and this way with this lock and this lock. The metal on here is all very superior components. The wood is a very sturdy, heavy wood. I'm not sure exactly what kind it is, but feels like rubber wood, but I don't think so. Maybe acacia. And then the last thing I'll say in this video is that it actually comes with 4 blades, and 2 of them are coarse and 2 of them are fine. So that's kind of cool too. I'm going to do another video with me doing some dovetails, and I'll link it to this one.